In this video, I will show you how to get an EORI number in the UK from Canada. An EORI number, or Economic Operator Registration and Identification Number, is required if you want to import or export goods to or from the UK. To apply for a GB EORI number, you'll need your unique taxpayer reference or other, your business start date, and standard industrial classification or SIC code, which you can find in the company's house register. If you're VAT registered, you'll also need your VAT number and the date it became effective. And if you're an individual or sole trader, your national insurance number is required. If your business is not based in the UK, you do not need a other SIC code or national insurance number. You will need to sign in with your government gateway account to apply. If you don't have one, you can create it during the process. Once you submit your application, you will usually get your GBARE number immediately, but in some cases HMRC may take up to 5 working days to check your application. If you also need an Roman 11 EORI number for Northern Ireland, you must first have a GB EORI. Then you'll fill in an Roman 11 EORI registration form and provide your Roman 11 VAT number, any EU VAT numbers, and 2 documents proving your permanent business establishment in Northern Ireland, like a bank statement and utility bill. In some cases, proof of establishment is not needed. You will usually receive your Roman 11 EORI number within 5 days. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to How to Tutor.